Welcome. Today, a delicious and healthy bitter melon dish packed with flavor is being prepared. First, peel the bitter melon properly to ensure the perfect texture. Next, remove all the seeds, making sure the center is completely empty. Then, chop the bitter melon into smaller, manageable pieces. To help achieve a much nicer, balanced taste, soak the pieces in water for 30 minutes. While that soaks, get the fresh ingredients ready by chopping the onion and tomato. If you enjoy healthy recipes, please hit the subscribe button and leave a comment below to share your favorite way to cook bitter melon. Heat some oil in a pan, add the bitter melon, and fry it until it turns a lovely golden brown. Once it is beautifully browned, remove the bitter melon from the pan and set it aside. Now, sauté the onion along with fresh ginger and garlic to build those aromatic flavors. Finally, stir the bitter melon back into the pan. Add the tomatoes and cook everything together for 10 to 15 minutes until it is perfectly tender and ready to serve. Check the video description for a full breakdown of the incredible health benefits of this dish. There it is, a healthy, nutritious meal that is ready to enjoy.